Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which will open the email information. It is *#06#. And as you can see, and as I said, by this code we are provided with the email and serial number of this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the information about phone. It is *##, 4 zeros, ###. And as I said, we are in the device info, so here we can check the model, hardware version, and the baseband version, Android version, and so on and so on. Quite technical information, I would say. So let me show you actually another code which will open the information connected to the battery. It is *##, 6485, ###. And as I said, we are in the charging and battery info, so here we can check the particular status of our battery, how many percentage we've got left, if it is charging or discharged, in what condition it is, and so on and so on. A lot of technical info also. So let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info, and it is *##, 225, *##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, how many of them we've got, because here they are simply grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics, and it is *##, 426, ###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. If you'd like to open the advanced view, just tap on the three dots icon, tap on advanced view, and tap on the status again. And as you can see, right now we've got much more info, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code for this video. It will open the testing mode, and it is *##, 4636, ###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, and here we can check some phone and Wi-Fi information. So let's begin with the phone, and as you can see, here we can check the information just like the email, phone number, car network, data service, or voice service. Of course, I know that I cannot check anything here, but it is because I do not have my SIM card inserted. If you've got your inside your device, then no worries, you will be able to check the information right here. What's more, we can tap on more, and here you can also view SIM address book, view service dialing numbers, or enable data connection. And after scrolling down a little bit, you can run ping test here. Let's tap on it, and here you've got the results. So let's get back and let's check the Wi-Fi information. As you can see, we can check the API, the configuration, and the status also. So let's check the status. Let's tap on refresh stats, and as you can see, we can check, for example, the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So actually, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.